becoming aspiring to be an EV brand also in a few years' time. And we can expect actually there'll be more to come for Kia in the Philippines, and more announcements at the right time.
On my left is a BYD Dolphin. It's a hatchback, small urban hatchback. The range is about 405 kilometers. So you can take it around town, be perfectly okay with it, get some range, and then maybe charge at the end of the day, or even charge a few days later because of the range. No? And here on my right is the BYD Atto 3, our best-selling BYD model so far. It's a crossover, very popular one. And this one is the premium variant, the higher variant. Now you can easily see that with the 18-inch wheels, the bigger 18-inch wheels, the roof rail, and of course, the bigger battery underneath. So that one gets you about 480 kilometers of range. And in the dynamic version, the one that's lower price, about 1.5 dynamic unit, that gives you about 410 kilometers of range.
Wow, exciting numbers we're hearing, Sir Miko. I've learned today that BYD is the global leader on new energy vehicles. What makes
thank you so much, everyone. But maybe I'd like to show you something here. This is the mock-up of our charging station. This is the kind of charging station that you're going to see probably at the malls. There is an AC charging station which would give you an experience of roughly around 3 hours to 5 hours, depending on how much charging that you want to top up. But at the same time, there will be charging stations that will be DC, and these are the fast chargers, ultra-fast chargers, which will bring charging experience potentially under 1 hour to about an hour and a half. So depending on where you go, you're going to have different options. So at AC Mobility, we're not only committed to providing vehicle solutions, but we're also committed to providing the ecosystem that goes with it. And the charging station is very much a large part of that. There are a couple of ways to do this. To charge, your vehicle comes with a connector that can connect to a 3-prong plug at your home. Secondly, it can also come with a home charger. And again, that's like installing an air conditioner in your own home. But the other one, for whatever reason that you cannot charge at home, you have options to charge in public places. And you're going to see this panel over here and this kind of charging station, which is one of the many charging solutions that you're going to see across the country very soon.
Wow, thank you very much. Convenient and of course sustainable. Thank you very much for that information. I'm just wondering now how far I can travel, for example, on a fully charged EV. How far will I be able to go?
A fully charged EV, depending on the type of the vehicle, you can go as much as 600 kilometers, right? And of course, this is something that you can think of, right? It's part of your journey to know where you're going, to understand, so that you also understand where are the charging options that you have. But something we'd like to share with everyone, it's not just about the charging infrastructure, but there is a digital app that goes with this. And this is through another Ayala partnership, through Evro. And Evro is a Globe 917 initiative as well. And this one shows to everybody what are the charging options. So charger discovery will be done online. You can engage the charger online and as well as pay for it online. So this will be a seamless experience for everybody.
Wow, super in line with BPI's efforts as well to go phygital, right? And I think that's an exciting partnership we have. Thank you very much, Ma'am Carla. All right. Has partnered with Global Electronic Transportation, a provider of EVs that use fast-charging lithium-ion batteries to supply its new EV unit that will be used to provide free shuttle services for its employees. Yes, unit backers traveling between BPI Buendia Center and MRT Buendia Station. If you guys want, if you wish to, you can go inside and explore. You want to come with me and explore? It's a quick ride in our BPI EV shuttle, right? Coming on up here. The EV, as you can see, features a wider body and plenty of access room for the with the again, my mind's back, alright, but Our passenger room now is even wider for 30 people compared with our traditional shuttles that can only accommodate a ferry up to 50 passengers at a time. So we've doubled it already because of our EV shuttle right here. Thank you very much, BPI. The EV also harnesses an intelligent fleet management system with features such as GPS tracking, route optimization, and maintenance alert, which can be accessed through GetPass app. Okay? The EV could potentially reduce the bank's diesel consumption by 30,000 liters per year, which in turn will reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 40,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide per year. The initiative mirrors BPI's commitment to sustainability and continuous efforts to cultivate and entrench a sustainability mindset within the organization. So that's apart from our partners right there. Okay, we're moving on to conscious living through eco-friendly loan options that enable individuals to build or retrofit their homes with sustainable features. As part of its green solutions, BPI offers specialized loan options tailored for sustainable home projects, offering financial support needed to invest in energy-efficient upgrades, eco-friendly materials, and sustainable building practices. To tell us more about these sustainable homes, we are now going to talk with Ms. Zara Zanjani, co-founder and chief of operations, and do we have Jumar also? Just Ma'am Zara right here. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
This is Kubo. Yes, our modular homes. Yes, sustainable homes for you. Ma'am, how does Kubo Modular Incorporated promote eco-conscious living through our available products?
Right. So we believe that living sustainably begins at home. So here at Kubo Modular, we're using traditional Filipino culture of building bahay kubos, modular, but turning it into an innovative solution to solve the housing gap. So we prefabricate and manufacture sustainable homes mixed with engineered bamboo and other sustainable materials, and we can deliver as fast as 1 month.
Wow! And are all
Good evening, everybody. So, thank you, by the way. So, basically, us, Go Solar, we're actually our main product is installation service. But through that process, we want to offer the best installation for our clients. So, to do that, we partner with top brands in the industry. So, behind me here is the Trina brand, one of the products we carry. So, this one is 500 watts, high efficiency panel, which can last. Which has a lifetime of about 25 years, right? So this one, together with an inverter, it can already power several appliances like ref, air conditioning units, washing machines, and lights.
There you go. Thank you very much. In simple terms, Engineer Joshua, I'm sure we're going to have more time to know more about solar power. But what are the advantages really, main advantages of switching to solar energy?
Well, basically, the advantage of switching to solar is that you save energy. So what this does is it converts the energy coming from the sun and converts it to electricity for free, right? So you get free by generating your own energy, you reduce your electricity cost, and also at the same time help the environment.
Is it a complicated process? What are the steps in installing solar panels like this?
It's really easy. You just need to find the right provider. Like us, Go Solar Philippines, you just contact us, and our sales executive will visit your home and also do the site inspection and just schedule the installation. So we do everything from the engineering and design to the procurement of materials, mobilization of your materials to your home, and then the installation itself. So it's just that easy. Actually.
Oh, and does Go Solar help with maintenance?
Yeah, definitely. So Go Solar, we are very proud that we have a very strong after-sales services and customer service to our clients. So we want to make sure that the lifespan of your solar, you can be used for decades to come.